Greece recovered as city-states, called polis, emerged. Each developed unique laws, customs, and ambitions while fiercely protecting independence.
Athens introduced a new experiment. Many male citizens could vote and debate public matters, planting early ideas of democratic government.
If you've been scrolling through YouTube or TikTok lately, you've probably seen these incredible paper animation videos that look like every scene was handcrafted from layers of colorful paper. They grab attention instantly and keep people watching until the very end. If you are thinking, if I also create this kind of amazing video clip, the good news, yes you can. And in this video, I am going to share the method of creating this kind of viral paper animation video with AI. And yes, it's free, so let's dive in. Okay, to create this kind of amazing video, we need an idea, a script, prompts for image generation, and also for video generation. Don't worry, you don't need to be a screenwriter or prompt engineer. To save you hours of trial and error, I've created a complete prompt pack specifically for this tutorial. Inside, you'll find a master prompt that generates both your image prompts and animation prompts, along with the script from Just an Idea. I will put the link in the description. You just have to copy the full prompt and paste it into the chat model. You can use any model. I am using ChatGPT. Once you enter the prompt and hit the send button, it will ask for the idea. You just have to enter the idea. You can enter any idea. If you are out of ideas, you can ask ChatGPT for an idea. For example, I want to make a video on the history of Greek civilization. I am just entering the idea. And here it is. You can see that the script is ready. Now you should preview the script. If you think you need to customize the script, you can ask it. Once you are satisfied, just type, confirmed. Now, GPT will start writing the scene-by-scene image and video prompts for us. If it stops generating, just type continue and hit the send button. GPT will continue the prompt writing. For tutorial purposes, I will create 10 prompts. You can create the full video prompts or as many as you want. Okay, our script and prompts are ready. Now it's time to generate the content. First, I will create the images. And to do that, I will use Google Flow, because here we can create unlimited images for free. Once you are in Google Flow, create a new project. Okay, this is my Google Flow project. Now come to the prompt box, turn off agent mode and come to the settings. Set the image generation mode. After that, set the aspect ratio, number of images and image model. You will find Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and the Light model. I am selecting the Nano Banana 2 model. Once all the settings are set, we have to enter the prompt. So I am copying the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT. Now paste the prompt into Google Flow, then hit the generate button. The image is generating, and here it is. The image is ready. Look at the quality. It looks like crafted with colored paper, that exact style we are looking for. The quality is great. However, if you find any issue, you can always regenerate the image. Now, using the same method, create all other images one by one. The steps are similar. Copy the image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and then change the settings if needed. Once done, hit the send button, and the images will be ready. I am creating all the images. Okay, all the images are ready. Now we can turn them into video clips. First, I will share the best method to create the video clips. I will use Seedance 2.0 to create the video clips. You can use powerful models like Kling 3.0, WAN 2.7, Grok, and more. And you can get access to all of them inside Artlist. Artlist offers you more than 100 AI models under a single umbrella. And there are so many tools that allow you to create unlimited images and videos. Okay, this is the Artlist homepage. Here you will find a lot of things. I am talking about all of this today. We have to select the AI Toolkit feature from here. Once you are inside the AI Toolkit, you will find the prompt box. Here you can create images, videos, voiceover, and music using text prompts and references. If you want to create an image, just copy the prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure the image generation mode is selected. After that, select the image generation model. You will find all the powerful models here. Select which one you want to use. After that, set all other settings and then hit the generate button. And here it is. The image is ready. Look at this. This is the Scene 10 image. It's far better than Nano Banana 2. This is the advantage of having access to multiple models. Okay, enough for the image generation. Now it's time to generate the video clips. So I will delete the image prompt from the prompt box and then select the video mode from here. You will also find the audio and music options. Once done, select the video model. I am selecting the Seedance 2.0 model. Next, the settings. Here, we can select the video resolution. Seedance 2.0 allows you to create video up to 4K resolution. I am selecting 720p for a balanced output. Next, the duration. Our scenes are 10 seconds long, so I am selecting 10. After that, you can set the audio and aspect ratio. I am going with 16:9. Okay, our settings are set. Next, we have a pretty interesting feature, the style kit. That means we can set the visual style here. Let's see how. I am creating a new style. Now, we have to upload a reference image. I will upload an image generated with Nano Banana 2 inside Google Flow. Once done, we have to enter the style guidelines. ChatGPT already gave us a master visual palette. I am gonna use this as the style guidelines. Okay, once you are done, click Use Kit. Okay, we are set. Now I will add the first scene reference image. I am deleting the first frame and last frame option, and then click on the plus icon from here and select the image reference option. Now I will upload the first scene image from my device. Once the image is uploaded, I will add the first scene video prompt. Just copy the prompt and paste it here. Now hit the generate button to create the video. The video is generating, and here it is, the video is ready.
What if one civilization changed the way we think, govern, build, and question the world? That story begins on the rocky shores of ancient Greece.
Look at the quality of the video. It looks like a model is creating step by step with paper. It looks really awesome. I was looking for this kind of result. So, now you can create this kind of video using Seedance 2.0. Now let's create the second video clip. The process is the same. Replace the reference image with the second scene image. After that, replace the prompt for the second video and change the settings if needed. Once done, hit the generate button, and here it is. The second video clip is ready.
Greece's rugged mountains split the land into many small regions. Instead of one kingdom, independent city-states grew with their own rulers and identities.
This is amazing. Now, using the same method, you can create all the other video clips. Okay, now let's talk about the free method. You can use the Gemini Omni model inside Google Flow to create the video. Flow gives you 50 free credits daily. That's enough to generate 4 to 5 video clips daily. Let's see the process. Select the video generation mode from here. After that, set the ingredients mode. Next, set the aspect ratio and the number of videos you want to generate. After that, set the video model. We have to select the Omni model. In the end, set the duration. As per the prompt, I will set it to 10. Now, we have to add the image reference. Let's create the third scene. Select the third scene reference image and then click on the 3-dot menu. You will find some options. Select the Add to Prompt option. The image has been added. Now, we have to enter the video prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it here. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is. The video is ready.
Surrounded by the Aegean and Mediterranean, the Greeks became skilled sailors. Trade connected distant lands and carried ideas as far as goods.
And look at the result. Although it's not as great as Seedance 2.0, it looks great. We can use it perfectly. Now, let's create the next scene. I am adding the fourth scene image and then adding the video prompt. Once done, hit the Generate button. And here it is, the video is ready. Now, in the same method, you can create all other video clips. Now the question is what we do when we are out of credits. It's simple. You can use another Google account or wait for the next day. You can also use free AI video generator models like WAN, QN, or Vibes AI. We already made videos on how you can access these free AI video generators. You can watch them from the description. Okay, once all the video clips are ready, stitch them and make the final video. Use eye-catching subtitles and effects to make it more effective. Just like that.
Long before famous philosophers, the Minoans of Crete and the Mycenaeans built powerful cultures that shaped Greece's earliest foundations. After the Mycenaean collapse, many cities faded. Writing disappeared for centuries. Yet stories and traditions survived through spoken memory. Greece recovered as city-states, called polis, emerged. Each developed unique laws, customs, and ambitions while fiercely protecting independence.
So now we can create amazing paper animation videos like this using AI. And the most important thing, we can make it for free. So why are you waiting? Go give it a try. And if you need the best result, don't forget to try the best model inside Artlist. You will find all the links in the description. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.